We're Ship Happens with Chris and Simon, and welcome back to our channel. Welcome aboard the Norwegian Bliss, one of the most incredible ships within the Norwegian cruise line fleet. Today, we're taking on a full tour to see if it lives up to the hype. From the pool deck with amazing ocean views, to thrilling attractions like the onboard racetrack and incredible dining spots around every corner. In this video, we are exploring the must-see decks, hidden gems, and the experiences that make the Norwegian Bliss one of the most popular cruise ships at sea. And this time, the kids wanted to help. So welcome aboard, shipmates. Hit that subscribe button and let's explore the Norwegian Bliss.
On deck 5 midship is Splash Academy for kids ages 3 to 12. On deck 5 forward is Guppies. Ages for kids is 6 months through 3 years.
And located on deck 6 forward is Q Texas Smokehouse, which is one of the specialty restaurants that also has live music.
On deck 6 midship, you will find all the customer service related needs, such as shore excursions, guest services, and cruise next. This is also where you'll find our friends at Starbucks. This is also where you'll find the atrium, with massive LED screens, comfortable seating, and a constant lineup of activities like trivia, Deal or No Deal, and live performances.
On deck 6 midship is Teppanyaki, which is one of my favorite restaurants because they cook in front of you.
Located on deck 6 midship is the Art Gallery, which is brought to you by Park West.
Dining at Savor is a must on deck 6 aft, balancing classic favorites with unique new dishes, offering guests an extensive menu of deliciously fresh flavors, along with a chic and modern decor.
Taste offers a stylish and contemporary atmosphere while serving a wide variety of cuisines. Enjoy a menu that changes daily with carefully selected wine recommendations and experience a different culinary adventure in every visit.
And tucked right in between Taste and Savor is the Mix Bar.
On deck 7 forward, the Bliss Theater. It's showtime!
On deck 7 forward is the Local, where you can enjoy breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and even a late night snack.
On deck 7 midship is the Bliss Casino. Whether you're trying your luck on the slot machines or joining a table game with fellow cruisers, the casino offers a classic Vegas-style experience right in the middle of the ocean.
On deck 7 aft is the Manhattan Room, a complimentary dining option.
Located on deck 8 midship is Food Republic, which is one of the specialty restaurants that serve Asian cuisine.
The District Brewhouse, where you can enjoy craft beers.
Located on deck 8 midship is La Cucina, which is one of the specialty restaurants, the Italian cuisine, and also the wine bar.
Cavern Club is inspired by the legendary Liverpool venue where the Beatles first rose to fame. This intimate club brings the spirit of classic rock to the middle of the ocean. With live bands performing Beatles hits and other timeless rock favorites, the energy here feels electric night after night.
Located here on deck 8 midship is the Sugarcane Mojito Bar, which offers a fantastic array of various mojitos.
On deck 8 midship is Palomar, one of a special restaurant that offers Mediterranean cuisine.
Located on deck 8 midship and aft is Tradewinds, which is for all your tax and duty-free shopping.
On deck 8 aft is Cagney Steakhouse. This previously was 2 different restaurants, but now it's solely just one restaurant, and embedded inside is the A-list bar.
And located on deck 8 is the waterfront, which is a nice promenade around deck 8 where you could enjoy a nice walk and fantastic ocean views.
On deck 16, we have the main pool area, which includes an adults pool, a children's pool, 2 bars, and a children's play area.
Step into the Mandara Spa located on deck 16 aft. Here you'll find a peaceful escape from the energy of the ship, with calming ocean views, soothing aromas, and a full menu of treatments including massages and facials. The spa is designed for total relaxation at sea. Whether you're unwinding in the thermal suite or treating yourself to a little self-care, the Mandara Spa is the perfect place to escape and recharge. The fitness center on deck 16 aft is where working out comes with some of the best views at sea. Lined with floor-to-ceiling windows, the gym lets you lift, run, or cycle while overlooking the open ocean. With modern equipment and plenty of space, it's perfect whether you're keeping up with your routine or just balancing out all the amazing food on board.
Deck 17 aft, Spice H2O, your adults 18 and over space.
Here on deck 17 aft is the American Diner, which is only open for lunchtime.
Also here on deck 17 aft is Le Bistro, which is Norwegian's take on classic French cuisine.
The jogging track is located on deck 17 and also has a lot of hot tubs.
The entrances for the Aqua Racer and the Ocean Loops is located on deck 17.
Here on deck 18 with the Haven restaurant, which is only accessible to Haven guests.
On deck 18 aft, we have the Speedway where you can go go-karting either singles or doubles.
On deck 19 aft is mini golf.
Where Ship Happens with Chris and Simon, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next leg of our adventure.